Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be working on Dysart again. We did her hair before, short hair video, but today we're going to try something to prepare her for her wedding coming up. So we're going to try a little bit elegant style. I'm going to braid up all the way around and then down all the way around in the middle and connect it all as a halo going around. So just trying it out. We are going to use some Eco Gel on her hair today just to see how the edges hold up. We usually don't use Eco Gel or any other gel because it flakes up so much, but we do want to figure out which one she can use in the wedding to where her pictures will still look good and everything else. So this is our first try with Eco Gel. We're using Cream of Nature Argon Oil Line. We have already did an apple cider vinegar rinse and washed and conditioned her hair already, so it's already detangled. I never have to detangle her hair. It's always just already detangled. So it's already detangled. We're just going to go ahead and get started. We're going to use the leave-in curl milk, Eco Gel, and her oil mixture, which you can go back to our first video on short hair to figure out what's in the oil mixture. So tomorrow is where we're going to see if the gel's holding up.
Yeah, probably.
Because we want to see if it'll hold up during the wedding.
Yeah, especially during the dancing and everything. I definitely want that.
Oh, girl, once you start dancing, that's it.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just sweating.
We ain't depending on the gel for dancing, okay? You gonna be sweating that shit out.
Absolutely. I'm done twisting it while I'm waiting for the reception to start. Just untwist it. You got an afro now, I do. The pictures are done. And this is gonna sweat out. It's okay. I almost can't believe it's literally, I was literally married this year.
Now, I imagine this hairstyle, they have pearl pins. Pearls.
Okay.
I don't know what your thing, what's that thing called? The veil? Your veil looks like.
I don't know if I'm wearing one, so don't worry about it for now.
So,
I feel like they're kind of pointless, and I feel like it's just extra work. I think my mom really liked this style, actually.
This one?
Yeah, when you did it the first time on me.
Yeah.
It's a lot longer now, though.
It
so
is.
I think you'll be able to hold better. Before it was around.
So we're going all the way around. All right. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Share it if you can. Any support helps. And come back next week for another video. Thank you.